Okay. Exercise 4.4, question number 1. Give the geometric representation of y equals to 3 as an... Okay. Exercise 4.4, question number 1. Give the geometric representation of y equals to 3 as an equation number 1 in one variable. So for one variable y is equal to 3. I have told you that for linear equation in one variable, graph will be a point on the number line. So we will draw a line. Simply we'll draw a number line. Okay, we will draw a number line and we will draw a number line and we'll plot the graph on that number line. We have to keep in mind one thing, that I have taken the 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. So this was 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So the distance, the every unit is equidistant. So y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 can be, y is equal to 3, the point will be what? This will be the point, y is equal to 3. Okay, so this is in one variable. But if we have to plot in two variables, so first of all we will convert it in the form of linear equation in two variable. Y equals to 3 can be written as y minus 3 equals to 0, and y minus 3 equals to 0, that means 0x, 0 times of x, plus y minus of 3 equals to 0. So now for any value of x, y will be 0, because if we take x equals to 1, then also y will be equals to 3. If we take x equals to 2, so all the values, I have told you earlier also that if we are having y equals to 3, that means the graph will be what? It will be parallel to x-axis. Let's see, we will solve it. Suppose we take any three values. For I'm just directly I am writing here, if we substitute the value of x equals to 0, so 0 into 0, 0, plus y minus 3 equals to 0, so 0 plus y minus 3, that is y minus 3 equals to 0, y equals to plus 3. If we take the value of x as 1, then also 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, so y minus 3 equals to 0 again, y equals to 3. If we take the x equals to 2, that is again 2 into 0 is 0, so y minus 3 equals to 0, y equals to 3. That means if we take any value of x, y will be always equal to 3. So that means the graph will be what? Cartesian plane. If we plot a graph, it will be such that it will be parallel to the x-axis. Okay, so I'm drawing the graph here. So here for x equals to 0, y equals to 3. For x equals to 0, y equals to 3. So this will be point 0, 3. For x equals to 1, y equals to 3. This will be point 1, 3. Similarly 2, 3. So that will be a straight line. The line will be like this. Okay, so points will be, this is 0, 3, this is 1, 3, this will be 2, 3. Like this you can plot the lines. So here you can clearly see this is x, x dash, this is y, y dash. So the line is parallel to x-axis. I have told you earlier also in the explanation that y is equal to 3 will be the line parallel to, straight line parallel to x-axis. So here question number 2, give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equals to 0 in one variable. So 2x plus 9 equals to 0. So 2x will be equal to 0 minus of 9. So 2x equals to minus of 9. X will be equals to minus 9 upon 2. So that is x equals to minus of 4.5. So this we can represent in the form of a straight line. So in one variable we can represent in the form of a straight line. Okay, number line, simple. So we will draw a number line like this, and we have to plot minus 4.5. So this will be like this. So these are the points. Okay, so if the suppose this is plus 2 plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4, and this is minus 5 minus 6 and minus 7. Now minus 4.5 will be where, or minus 9 by 2 will be where? Minus between minus 4 and minus 5. We have already discussed in chapter 1 number system how to represent a rational number. Similarly we will do here. Minus 4.5 will be basically between the minus 4 and minus 5. So it will be between minus 4 and minus 5. If you will draw, you want to represent by 9 by 2, you can minus 4 can be written as what? Minus 8 upon 2, and minus 5 can be minus 10 upon 2. So minus 8 upon 2, this is minus 10 upon 2. So in between them, minus 9 upon 2 means we have to divide this region minus 4 and minus 5 into 2 equal parts. So this I have drawn the midpoint. So this point will be what? This point will be representing the value, that is what? This equation, that is 2x plus 9 equals to 0. Okay, I suppose it is clear. Now second part, we have to plot the graph in two variables. For two variables, first of all we will be representing in the form of linear equation in two variable. So 2x plus 9 equals to 0 can be written as 2x plus of 0y plus of 9 equals to 0. This is the linear equation two variable. Now since x equals to minus 4.5, so and for every value of y, the value of x will be minus 4.5. So the graph will be what? Parallel to y axis. The graph will be parallel to y axis. Suppose if we want to have 3 points for this, so the points will be what? Okay, the points will be somewhat, if suppose I am taking for first point for x equals to for all the values of y, the value of x will be minus 4.5 only. So minus 4.5 for y equals to 0, x will be minus 4.5. For y is equal to 1, x will be minus 4.5. For y equals to 2, x will be minus 4.5. So now let's see how to plot it on the graph. Okay, so first of all I have taken the scale as on both axes 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. This is x dash, and this is y dash. Scale I have taken. Now we have to plot 2x plus 9 equals to 0, that is x equals to minus 4.5. So this is the equation, x equals to minus 4.5, or the equation was 2x plus 9 equals to 0. This was the equation. So for that we have to plot. So for all the values we have seen here that for all the values x equals to y equals to 0, 1, 2, the value of x is minus 4.5. So for we will be plotting the first point for y minus 4.5 comma 0, minus 4.5 comma 0. This will be the first point. So minus 4.5, this is minus 4.5, between minus 4 and minus 5, that is minus 4.5 comma 0. This will be the first point. Okay, minus 4.5 comma 0. Second point will be minus 4.5 comma 1. So this is almost here, minus 4.5 comma 1, minus 4.5 comma 2. So that means what will be the equation of line, it will be a straight line parallel to y-axis. As I told you that if in case if the value of x is equal to something, then the equation of the line will be parallel to y-axis. Here I am writing the equation 2x plus 9 equals to 0. Equation I have written, x dash y dash I have written, scale I have written, and the points minus 4.5 comma 0, this point is minus 4.5 comma 1, this point is minus 4.5 comma 2, and so on. So any 3 points you can plot. So like this we will draw the graph for linear equation 2 variables. Got it? That's all. With this we have ended the chapter.